What we got going here, Zach? Tell us all about it.
Well, it's a forge. It's coal powered. And, well, what we did to start the fire, we laid down a bed of coals in there and got some little teepee of wood on top and a little bit of sawdust. Not too much, though. Then we got our little mini torch and lit it up. Then we just started putting little tiny coals on top of it and got little bigger ones. And, well, what we got here, got our power strip right here. And it's hooked up to an extension cord. And then it's hooked up to this fan, which blows into this pipe and sends air up here so it'll fuel the flame. So, Then down here we got this pipe, so the ashes would fall down here, and then this, you just open that up, and the ashes fall down there. It's got a little hinge on it, so it'll just sit there, lift it up, the ashes fall down.
Well, you want to see if you can bang something out real quick on that?
Yeah.
Maybe get it a little more warm. Huh?
Yeah. Stick it back in there, let it heat up again.
All right. Well, is it going to be fun?
Yeah, it's been fun. Yeah, I know a lot about these forges. Not too much, but I know a lot because I watched a TV show, Forged in Fire, and our friend Alan taught us a lot about them too.
Okay. We'll try it again.